Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Lexus trunk. First, carefully examine the trunk latch and hinges for any visible obstructions or debris that might be preventing it from closing properly. Next, test both your key fob and the interior trunk release button to ensure they are functioning. If neither works, you might need to access the emergency trunk release, usually found inside the trunk itself. This initial check helps identify simple issues quickly. Now, let's delve into the electrical components. Carefully inspect the wiring harness that connects to the trunk latch and lights for any signs of damage or loose connections. A faulty wire can often be the culprit. Next, manually test the latch mechanism itself to see if it moves freely and engages correctly. Sometimes, a simple lubrication can resolve stiffness. Don't forget to check the relevant fuse in your car's fuse box. A blown fuse can prevent the trunk from opening. For more persistent issues, you might need to perform some advanced diagnostics. Use a multimeter to check for proper voltage at the trunk latch connector. A lack of power indicates an electrical problem further up the line. Also, inspect the trunk's torsion bars or gas struts. If they are weak, the trunk might not stay open or close correctly. Finally, thoroughly examine the trunk lid and frame for any physical damage that could be misaligning the latch. If you've tried these steps and your Lexus trunk still isn't cooperating, it might be time to call in the experts. Complex electrical issues or significant mechanical failures are often best handled by a certified Lexus technician. For any structural damage to the trunk lid or frame, a professional body shop can ensure proper alignment and repair. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. They can help bring your space to life with amazing sound and smart features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.